What if I told you that just 10 minutes of daily exercise could completely transform your body, boost your energy, and even add years to your life? But here's the scary truth. Most people ignore their body until it's too late. Stiff joints, low energy, weight gain, heart problems. And it all starts with one simple mistake: not moving your body daily. Today, I'm going to show you 7 powerful daily exercises that can keep your body strong, your mind sharp, and your life long. Make sure you watch till the end because exercise number 5 might save your life. Section 1. Why daily exercise is life-changing. Your body is designed to move, but in today's world, we sit more than ever before. Phones, TVs, office jobs, and slowly your body starts shutting down. Daily exercise improves heart health, boosts metabolism, strengthens muscles, improves mental health, helps you sleep better. Even a short routine every day can reduce risk of heart disease, control blood sugar, improve mobility after 60. Section 2. Exercise number 1. Walking, the king of all exercises. If there's one exercise you should never skip, it's walking. Walking is simple, but powerful. Just 20 to 30 minutes daily can burn fat, improve circulation, reduce stress, strengthen your heart. Pro tip: walk after meals. It helps digestion and blood sugar control. Section 3. Exercise number 2. Stretching for flexibility. Do you feel stiffness in your body when you wake up? That's your body begging for stretching. Stretching improves flexibility, prevents injuries, reduces muscle pain. Simple stretches: touch your toes, neck rotations, shoulder rolls. Just 5 minutes daily can make a huge difference. Section 4. Exercise number 3. Body weight training. You don't need a gym. Your body is your gym. Try push-ups, squats, plank. These exercises build strength, improve balance, and increase endurance. Start small. Even 5 reps is enough. Section 5. Exercise number 4. Cardio, heart health booster. Cardio keeps your heart alive. Examples: jogging, cycling, jump rope, even dancing counts. Just 10 to 15 minutes daily can improve heart health, burn calories, boost mood. Section 6. Exercise number 5. Balance training, lifesaver. This is especially important after 50. Balance exercises prevent falls. Try standing on one leg, heel-to-toe walking. Falls are one of the biggest dangers in older age. This simple habit can literally save your life. Section 7. Exercise number 6. Breathing exercises. Most people breathe incorrectly. Deep breathing reduces stress, improves oxygen flow, boosts brain function. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Do this daily and feel calm instantly. Section 8. Exercise number 7. Morning routine, the game changer. Your morning sets your entire day. A simple routine: stretch, walk, deep breathing. This activates your body and mind. You'll feel more energetic, more focused, more positive. Section 9. Common mistakes to avoid. Most people fail because of these: doing too much too fast, skipping bays, ignoring warm-up, poor diet. Consistency is the key. Your body is your home. Take care of it, or you will be forced to repair it later. Start small. Start today. Even 10 minutes daily can change your life forever. So ask yourself, will you move today or regret tomorrow?